Right. No. Slate was a dead end, all right? Hi, David Zaritsky for the Bond Experience. Welcome back. Well, why am I dressed in a Y3 Haiti homage jacket from Quantum of Solace? Why am I wearing the Quantum of Solace short sleeve polo shirt on, the Quantum of Solace Omega watch? I've got the Quantum of Solace jeans. Heck, I even have the churches from Quantum of Solace and the Prada belt. I must be doing something that has to do with Quantum of Solace. And of course I am, because today is the kickoff for a Quantum of Celebration. It is a weekend-long celebration with friends from far, acquaintances, people that will become friends after this weekend, a gather-all. And today what's happened is there's something very organic that we're going to be experiencing. It is a Quantum Range Day. This has been organized by Ray and Kyle. You know them well. And they have put together an experience for about 20 to 25 people to actually use the different tools of trade of Bond from Quantum of Solace. That is the armament at a local range. They've got a lot of surprises, and we're going to cover it all. That's right. No matter where you are, you're going to be able to see it and cover it. And I have to tell you, before we even head there, this is something that organically happens. You know, we create a gather-all moment, which is a social moment for Bond fans around the world. We all get together, but then these tiny gather-smalls happen all over the place. This is one of them. So people say, hey, we're going to come in early. Is there anything to do? Scratch our heads. Why yes. there is a Quantum Range Day, and tonight there's a welcome event, and there's a brunch, and it suddenly grows. And this is typically what happens because Bond fans just want to be with Bond fans. That's the secret ingredient. Really? I mean, that's it. So listen, I don't want to hesitate too much. I've got my outfit, I've got my car, I've got my kit. I got to get going because, listen, we got to get in. I said get in. Now, we had choices today. We could have taken the Aston Martin, which would have been the logical choice, but damn it, it's winter and it's dirty out. But I have the next best thing. I've got Kyle.
What's happening?
What's going on, brother?
I'll keep my eyes on the road.
Keep your eyes on the road.
It's a good day.
It's
always a good day.
It is a good day. It's going to be a great day. We're heading to the range, and this has been co-authored, co-hosted by Kyle, and you got your partner Ray, who we're going to meet in a little bit, right?
Sounds good.
See you there. So you're at a Bond event when you see a Range Rover with this license plate. And everybody's getting ready.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Quantum of Solace Range Day.
Hey guys, that's a great point.
What's that? Welcome to the Quantum of Solace Range Day. What me and Kyle have done, we've set up a series of different firearms from Quantum of Solace. We have a Glock 17,
We do.
SIG 226, Beretta 92, PPK, and an AR,
And in HK VP9.
and a VP9. The way it's going to work, everybody's going to have a box of ammo. All the stuff out there except for the AR is 9mm. So we have a target set up for you. You shoot 10 rounds at your own pace. Take your target, move to the next booth, next weapon, load 10 rounds, fire until you've completely gone through the entire cycle. At the very end, once everybody's completed, we have a challenge for everybody. We're going to send the target out at its furthest distance. Everybody gets one shot, closest to bullseye, wins a prize that's in the back of Kyle's car. Something special for you.
Yes.
There's alcohol, so we couldn't.
If you like martinis, you're going to go home happy.
So ammo and safety equipment is included with your entrance fee. If you brought your own, that's fine. You could skip that part. But we're only going to be using the firearms that are out there until the full cycle is complete. If it uses the entire time and we have time, extra time after, and you want to shoot your own stuff, perfect. With that over with, let's do a roll call and see who's here. Ray.
Okay, we're actually at Guardian training right now, always having our ears and our eyes on. You got one of these fancy ones where you can actually hear people?
What?
Yeah. We're here with Kyle. Kyle, tell us exactly what you've and Ray set up for us today.
We've set up a little bit of a James Bond arsenal steered towards the Daniel Craig era. The first gun that we have set up here is the Glock 17. You see James Bond use one of those in Skyfall. He uses it to capture Silva, and then he uses it in the beginning of Spectre with like a carbine conversion kit. So that's going to be the first one. One of the most ubiquitous pistols ever made. Next, we have an AR-15, which that's kind of like the one-size-fits-all rifle platform. James Bond uses something very, very similar at the end of Skyfall. Moneypenny uses something very, very similar in the beginning of Skyfall. Bond uses something similar in No Time to Die. So that's your AR platform. Next, we've got my favorite, which is the Heckler & Koch VP9, which James Bond uses in Spectre, 2 different scenes. He takes one in Austria at the Hoffler Clinic, and then he takes one off of a Spectre agent in London at the very, very end, and uses it to shoot at Blofeld's helicopter. It's the first time that pistol was ever in a major motion picture. Really excited about that one. This is the John McClane Special, the Beretta 92 FS. We see this one in Quantum of Solace. This is the gun that's used to kill Mathis, which Bond then takes off of the police officer and blows him away as well. This is really cool. This has been custom modified by the Bond Armory himself. This is a Sig Sauer P226, but again, it's been modified and customized a little bit by an expert. We see James Bond, Daniel Craig's James Bond, use this one a lot. He uses it in Quantum of Solace. You and I had a mutual friend, Bang. He has one on the train in Spectre that he tries to teach Madeline Swan safe firearms handling with, and he uses one in No Time to Die in a few scenes in Cuba, and at the end during the gunfight in Silva's lair. Last but not least, we have to end with the Walther PPK. This one chambered in 380 ACP, which is very similar to the Walther PPK that James Bond has issued in Skyfall and uses in No Time to Die. He kind of has it hidden away to kill a couple of Safran's guards. That's going to be the last gun we shoot today.
So basically, we're fully loaded.
All in all, rather stocked.
He's perfect like this.
I try.
All right, let's go usher everybody in.
Let's do it.
Here they come. Oh, you got on there. You got on there.
That's all right.
Boris, you look like you've done that before.
Not really. This is the first time.
You're joking.
Nope.
That was pretty damn good.
Thank you. Yeah. Pistol, yes, but that I don't know.
Very nice.
Oh, you gotta send the bolt. Push in. Real hard.
I saw that. I'm like, I have.
How'd you do, Ken?
Doing all right.
Oh yeah, that'll kill him.
Get a good picture of Ken so you can show it all the chicks he trapped. Really amazing.
Take a giant bowl of
That's why I just folded mine as a
Okay, this is the portion of the range experience where everybody's going to get one shot on the Walther PPK to shoot way down range and see who can get to the closest of the target. And yes, I've been told there is a prize. Which one of these people are going to win? You'll have to watch to find out. Well done, sir.
Thank you.
It's nice, but no smiley face.
That's on the Beretta. The prize is a martini basket. The challenge is everybody gets one round in the Walther PPK, just one, to get closest to the bullseye. Closest to the bullseye wins the martini basket. They are 007 for the rest of the weekend.
Wow.
All right? One shot, make it count.
Nice. All right, here are the line of double O's getting ready to shoot. Everybody looks appropriately nervous. He's got the number one shot. Maybe it's Greg. Could it be the Emery boys? Who knows? All right, everybody feel pretty confident? We all gonna win double O's, huh?
Absolutely.
Only one person can win, I'm sorry. Oh, is that our next double O? Could be. That's controversial. A little bit of preparation for the next target.
Luke, just remember, this was David's idea.
In the arm.
Tight stick this in the shoulder. I winged you, buddy.
Here, but we are heading now to a very auspicious place. Now that we've shot guns, you get a hankering for meat. So we are going to have copious amounts of meat at a very aptly named Mission Barbecue. I'll see you all there. I won't get yours. I won't get yours that you got a salad. Thanks for watching the Bond Experience. If you like what you saw, why don't you subscribe to the channel by clicking this button right here. We'll keep you up on everything new that's happening in the world of Bond. And speaking of something new, here's something new just for you because we know you so well. Talk to you soon.